Okay, so if you want to use the filter for Google Sheets, you'll click on here, click on row 1, which will highlight the entire row all the way across, okay? And then you click on this filter. And it should put a little icon here once it's done thinking. Sometimes it takes a minute. Yeah. See how it put a little icon here? You see that? Okay. So now let's say you just want single family here, right? So you're going to uncheck everything that you don't want. Okay, so now that's all you're dealing with there. Now let's say you also want to get rid of all the C's, right? You don't want to look at them anymore. Uncheck those. So now it took out all those. Now let's say that you only want to deal with prices under, let's say 9,000 or 10,000. Hold on, before we do that, I want to see what the multifamily ones were. Multifamily, those three, Gary. Huh. Okay. And then let's also say that you want to sort A to Z, sort ascending. See how I clicked that filter? It was A to Z there. So now this is all alphabetical order, right? Okay. Multifamily. Okay, now let's say that we only want to deal with prices. Filter by condition. Use this. And then we'll go less than. You have all those different equations that you can do, but let's do less than, call it 8,500. Click OK. So now, this is all you're dealing with. Oh, and then let's say that we don't want to deal with Gary right now, right? So we'll go in here, we'll find Gary. We'll uncheck it. So now that's all we're dealing with. Okay. And then let's say that we want to organize this alphabetical order this way. Now you're dealing with it state by state. So if you find that the states that you're in, usually they should be very similar. If you find that they're not really working out great, then skip on to the next state. So if you've done 4 or 5 and they're all turning into land when they should be homes or whatever, then move on. Okay, so that's how you can filter by more than one thing. But you don't want to take these filters away because then it's hard to figure out where you're at or what you need. Okay, and then you can deal with any of these that you haven't done already. So I don't care if somebody's name is in it, you can check it over, make sure it's right, and put your name on it because none of these people are dealing with it right now. Okay, perfect. Are you making some good headway though? Is it speeding up?